Hello, Praveen here. IIT Kharagpur Agriculture and Food Engineer. Welcome to Zero Waste Program. So today we are going to discuss how to deal with spinach waste. Spinach waste. So basically, let me show you how we generate waste in spinach. Right. So when you bring spinach from market, you will get in bunch like this, right? So usually we eat the leaf. Like see, we eat the leaf, and we have these left. So when you are dealing with that, you only cut the leaf like this. See, so that you can So we are going to reuse the base which we usually throw away as to grow new spinach. So we eat this, but we throw away the base. Right. So we throw away this. So now the purpose here is to how do we reuse this? See, this is growing so vigorously. So if we plant them, so what I do when I cut it, I just put it in a container, like a flat container like this, and keep assembling them so that and later when I get a time, we put them in any growing vessel. I can show you here. So let's take this guy. So we grow them later on here. You can see how we planted them. And you have to understand why to live with waste. What is the disadvantage of throwing so much waste? You can see. Okay. So let's understand why we have to not live with waste. Means waste will waste your life. So there's a lot of advantage, right? When we grow our food like this, like a good one, you can see the quality which we produce through our stuff is. You can see the quality of leaf. See, compared to these leaf, like gigantic one or whatever you get it, our food is lot fresher, the one you grow. Like there are a lot of other advantage of these small leaf, So if you see these small leaf, it is like pesticide free, so it will have some bump and holes and other stuff like that. You see how fresh it looks. See the huge amount of advantage. It's so fresh. Homemade food has huge advantage. You can see how fresh it looks. And you can actually do multiple harvest. You can see it has been harvested multiple times. You can just break the leaf and harvest it as many times we want it. So why to do it? There's more reason to do it. First of all, microgreen advantage. You see this advantage of microgreen? It's 10 to 40 times more nutrient dense than the normal big spinach variety. The leaves are usually 1 to 3 inch long, so you are eating very fresh. Abundant vitamin C, beta carotene, copper, vitamin E, K, A, iron, B2, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc. Reduces risk of cancer, eye diseases, anti-aging, improve immune, anti-inflammation, helps in DNA synthesis, antioxidant, lutein, viola, xanthan, prevent a cure diabetes, Alzheimer, heart disease, and plus many more. So these are the advantage of eating good homemade microgreen. In general, homemade spinach will also have these advantages. Yeah, so be careful to limit it to 2 cups per day and cook it. Spinach by itself has vitamin A, K, C, B2, K1, B6, B9, E, folate, magnesium, iron, fiber, calcium. It also has miracle compounds like lutein, Comoflenol, quercetin, xanthan, Zeaxanthin, it helps deal with oxidative stress and radicals. It's good for eye, anti-aging, heart, brain, prevents cancer, blood pressure, and again many advantages of using homemade spinach or our spinach for that point of view. Outside store, if you're buying, like, yeah, you have to buy initially from outside store. I will show the seeds as well. Or see, when you grow at home, you also get the seeds. I'll show you the seeds. Yeah, see. So some of them, even if you keep harvesting, some of them you can leave it to make speed, and this can now convert to. This can convert to now many spinach. You know, all of these seeds are like a spinach plant. Which so outside store and food is bad, you know, like the hydroponic grown one has dangerous bacteria like Salmonella, Listeria. It causes you leaky guts, leaky brain, which make you dumb. It gives you cancer. Pesticide, it is filled with pesticide, preservatives, chemical. It gives you excess exposure to nitrates, low nutrient content. Is contaminated with virus, bacteria, even drug resistance bacteria, fungi. So store made stuff has a huge amount of problem. So that's the reason, you know, it's very important that you eat. Don't waste your waste. Never waste your waste. See, we converted the waste. We converted the waste to such a productive thing. You know, see, the waste which you are throwing away now gives you so many benefits which we just discussed. Right? We discussed all these advantages which you will never get it from the store made. It also saves your life, world and humanity. When you waste your waste, when you throw this, it releases dangerous gases like NO2, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, carbon dioxide, methane, hydrochloric acid, hydrofluoride, 100 plus dangerous compounds are released. Own food, as we have seen, is 100 times better than the store food. Own food, our food. Like, you can also join our farm fresh food program. We run farms in UK and India. It reduces a lot of cost. This costs nothing. Basically, it costs you to throw the waste. Whereas if you reuse the waste, it actually saves you a lot of money. As we have seen, it prevents cancer and huge amount of cancer. Waste gives you cancer. It encourages cancer formation in your body. You get better brain, better job, better life, more revenue, more customer, more earnings and more livelihood. Please recycle your waste. If you can't process it, please send it to us. You can also help us by joining the recycling program for 100 rupees per month. Sorry, 100 rupees. Just you can help us or contribute for 100 rupees. And you get, if you join our program, recycling program, you also get free seeds every month. Like, you know, we have like food and nature therapy program where we get free seeds to you. So please help us. Please help yourself and save your life. So I will show you again, right? You see this, don't throw the waste, you know, cut the leaf like this, but leave some of the small leaves intact, right? See, and always buy, if you have to buy from outside, always buy from some which has the at least some base amount, because this can grow back again. You see, this for a small one is so better than the big ones. So I hope you will recycle your waste and save your life as well as the world. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to join. There's a massive return. Bye.